Yeah, good afternoon from the Netherlands. We're going to start up this Suzuki XN85 Turbo. It's a very special bike. You don't see them a lot these days. Mr. Kia, just turn around. Okay. 4-in-1 exhaust on it. Very nice bike. $23,391 kilometers. The tank is repainted. For the rest, it's pretty original. Small scratches here. The bike will be cleaned and polished, and then we make some pictures. For the rest, the bike is in very good condition. Very good. So if you're interested in this bike, this XN85 Turbo, contact me and I'll get you all the pictures and information and of course the price. We ship worldwide. I can make you an offer if I have the name of the harbor or your address, and then most of the time we can do that for interesting prices. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget, keep following us for more videos to come. Bye bye.